Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can outrank your competition, get more exposure, and of course get more new potential clients. So first things first, I have your website blog here, and the first thing that I have to recommend is to add more content. And by content, it's not just images, but more words to it. If you add relevant content that if it includes the keywords that you want to be found for, that will definitely help you start being getting more notice on Google. And not just for the homepage. The homepage is very important because it will is the section of the website that needs to have the more content possible. And for the subpages, for example, service for men, let's see what we got there really quick. Um, yeah, definitely add more content, and you have to include the keywords that you're going to be found for. For example, Botox, New Jersey, things like that. I'm not show you that in a few seconds so you can have a better understanding. But if I go and see the back end of your website, you are only being found for 45 keywords. This being picked from your website, you got only probably six visits a month to your website, and you have 7 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will help you to be found on Google as well. This will increase your domain rating over here and your URL rating. This is very important because the higher the numbers, the more strong online presence you get to have. So keep in mind that not all links are created equal, so you can have hundreds and dozens of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they are not relevant, and most important, if they are not targeting the keyword that you need to be found for, these will be completely useless. So let's take a look on the keywords really quick and see what you're being found for. And we can see spa, Westwood, New Jersey is an average of 50 searches a month. You're ranking at number 6 for that one, but you're only getting 3 visits for these 50 searches. Same thing here, spas in Westwood, New Jersey. Is that something you really want to be found for? It all depends on what your goals and if it's driving traffic to your website. Med Spa NJ, 30 searches a month, and you're on the third page, so nothing really relevant. Med Spa, NJ, 200 searches a month, and you almost to the falling into the sixth page. So very important to understand this because it doesn't seem like you're getting too much of a relevance of those keywords, and those, especially this one over here, has 100 searches a month. I'm sorry, this one over here, which is the same. So something to take into consideration because I went on Google and did a quick search for dermatology, Bergen County, and see if that's because I believe this is one of your local area. Let's see. Actually, it's yeah, Westwood, New Jersey. Okay, but Bergen County will definitely count as that. And the reason I did Bergen County because if I go to your homepage, your tags over here, of course, is Bergen County. But again, I want to do a Google search on that, and the first thing you're going to notice is the traditional Google ads is where you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad, and depending on the demand of the keyword, the price, from 0 cents to actually from 1 cent to hundreds of dollars. Then you have your map section, and you're not ranked here in this top 3, so you could be missing a lot of opportunities as well. And then we got the organic results. You got the Yelp on number 1, which is a directory. We have these guys, advanced dermatology, dermatologypc.com. So, and then number 2, number 3, you got these guys. And I'm trying to see if I can find your website in this first page, but I don't see it here. And just for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't pass. They don't overpass this top three over here and this top three here, that means that they don't scroll down all the way till the end, not even go to the second or third page. So you could be missing a lot of opportunities here. But for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this website link. We'll pull out this one over here and see why are they ranking number one. And we see that these guys, they have a dedicated page for reach, which I believe might be in Bergen County. And I'll have to apologize if I'm not 100% sure of that. But let's take a look here and see why these guys are ranking that on that. Let's see, on number two, and why are they doing differently? So we can see that they have multiple locations. Um, the content is not that much as well, but what this means is that they're probably targeting with backlinks these keywords that are making them to be in that second position. And you can see that they have a lot of locations: New York, New Jersey, PA, Connecticut. So, and they have a lot of pages, so that is helping them to rank in that second page. So, let's take a look on the back end of these guys. Let's see. Okay, so we can see now because they're really, really big and they have over 13,000, almost 14,000 keywords being found for. This is bringing around 4,000 visits a month to their website. And they have over 18,000 backlinks. And for the matter of backlinks, this is not that much. I mean, these are really high numbers, but still, that means that there are links that most of them are really powerful, most of them, and some of them are not that much. So, but still, they're doing their job. They're doing their job, and they're right, uh, helping what they're supposed to be helping. Let's take a look at the keywords that are being found for really quick, and because of the amount of that is really high, but we can see, for example, this one, Dermatologist Summit, New Jersey, 100 searches a month, they're ranking number one, and they're getting almost 50% of that. They're getting 40 of those 100 searches, they're getting 40 visits to their website, which is a lot. That's almost half of them going straight to their website. And you can see that they're targeting specific locations because they have those locations. And even if they don't have that physical location, you can do the same thing. Target specific areas, either with this with backlinks and creating another dedicated sub page for that specific location. Um, so that's why they're ranking number one. Advanced Dermatology NJ, 90 searches a month, and they're getting 31 visits because they're ranking number one. So really, really important to understand. And this is why they're ranking. You can see that they're putting a lot of work into this, into targeting these keywords. And even though, like I said, they don't have that much of content, especially on the homepage, which means that if you would want to be competing, and not just with that keyword, but with whatever the keyword that you provide as services, for example, injectables, massages, microneedling, things like that. But I'm just giving you one very common, which is dermatology. And if you put the right content on your website, if you target the specific keywords that you want to be found for, you can definitely start ranking over there. But I don't want to take too much of the time. I hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions, all information will be attached to the email. Please let us know. And if you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. Same thing. Feel free to reach out, and we will do our best to try to help you out and see how we can come up with a game plan to get you up there. Thank you.